Only attack I make. But Jaden Chase there to make the fans them know what really I go on. Welcome to the channel, viewers and subscribers. Jaden Chase there bringing the latest now go on in entertainment and dancehall news. And me remind you to click the subscribe icon, then click the bell icon to stay notified. Leave a like on the vlog and comment. Now, viewers and subscribers, Vybz Kartel has taken over the #1 trending spot in Jamaica and the Caribbean diaspora as expected, with a new track produced by TJ Records titled Loving Every Minute. And viewers, to the speed how fast that song has started trend at #1, me that say fans are definitely loving every word, every single line. The G say, woman they enough and them wet. Worship. I they left your man on the track like horse shit. Yo, when it comes to creativity, nobody enough for telling you nothing. At this point in time, I'm not supposed to take no talk. Vybz Kartel definitely stands alone, viewers and subscribers. Vybz Kartel find a way for convey emotion in words. It might sound simple enough, but look into it. Regular ear artists use certain statements, certain slang, certain lines, and probably the placement or what they must say not really convey the emotion. You get what me I say? Vybz Kartel definitely master the attribute of music there. Yeah, him definitely have it. There's no going around that at this point in time, viewers and subscribers. Even a simple line like, from what day every girl I get thick. Remember, something that where people are talking about in the streets, and the viewers and subscribers. That's something where people actually are talking about. And the fact that your Vybz Kartel can still talk about current topics, trending topics, and still give him own personal vibe to it, a creativity within itself. That are definitely creativity, viewers and subscribers. Some people also are talking about the track where Alkaline drop, and they must say it's a missed opportunity. The fact that Alkaline have put out no new music in the past couple weeks, number of weeks. This was an opportunity for him drop a track for really get fans and listeners film view upon what go on or just what he has been up to in the past couple of weeks. Now him never have to do that, and him choose not to. The track, me that say too, this is the next factor. People are say they don't like the track because of the vibe. You have to remember, it's a rhythm selection, beat, as them that call it a foreign, definitely do a whole heap for music in this day and age. If you notice Vybz Kartel, the way him formulate and structure him sentence them, the little slang, the flow them, and the rhythm them, allow producers to put him verse them pan. I have to tell you, him definitely have a producer's mind, because the sound of music has changed. Every music or every musical genre go through a certain evolution of sound. You see, Alkaline too was definitely an artist way. Yo, no make nobody check it to him. Alkaline a good artist. Yeah, him definitely a good artist. Because it's the same crossover type of sound there, song selection and beat selection. Alkaline they definitely have it. Definitely have it. Certain rhythm with your Alkaline pan. Whenever you know other dancehall artists and go up and rhythm like them there. You know what I mean? Yeah. But for some reason, the type of music, probably the direction where I carry him career in right now, him choose to put music on them type of rhythm. And sometimes it's a hit and sometimes it's a miss. As in fans that say this one was a miss. True fans, core fans will definitely say, yo, of course the song tough, the song bad. As I say, big up the artist. I respect him creativity as an artist. Every artist entitled to them own creative expression. And the artist definitely do that. You know what I mean? The song well put together, I just never like the beat. The rhythm, it start off kind of slow for me. You know what I mean? It never high tempo. And the fact that we are reaching near to summer. I don't know if this was a track previously recorded, you know, probably earlier in the year when, you know, the tempo of the music it never really depend on the type of tempo you depend right now. So maybe that's why it sound how it sound. But, you know, the fact that it come that draw close to summer, people are listening for certain kind of high tempo dance and fun music or something for the ladies. So I have to definitely big him up for that. Anytime me artists put out something for the ladies, them I respect that, because females are definitely the backbone of the dancehall genre. You know what I mean? Yeah, definitely. So I big him up for that. But it was definitely a miss for me, personal. You know what I mean? Honest opinion. And Vybz Kartel definitely I take that opportunity I took to school all other dancehall artists. Everybody talk about the crossover sound and that flow and that vibe there. Vybz Kartel definitely a school every other artist. You know, how this is done. This is how you do it. You don't have to try hard. A simple facts. Alkaline did always say that track the formula. Me ever read that statement the way him say. The song did good too. But the facts him did say in the track say, find the formula. Because there is a formula to certain type of music. Now I mean, and Vybz Kartel definitely know the formula for a number of years now. Yo, at this point, it come like it's just an instinct thing for Vybz Kartel. To how the rhythm I go, it's like within his mind already start to formulate a certain type of track for the rhythm. A years now I do it. Teacher can pen some of the best songs you ever hear nobody write. And then can also freestyle some song and make you say, no sir, that song they did have to write. And when you see how that song they really get put together, the production, you realize, yo, the artist really never write it. Producer tell us, no, I never write it. Biggie Smalls have a big track titled Juice. And you know, so really and truly, if you watch the Biggie movie, you will see it too. And him say it in the interviews all the while. Puffy did say it, you know what I mean, little sees that somebody in the junior mafia when they did around the artist. Say, yo, that track they not right, you know. The artist just go in the studio, go in the booth, and just start talking mind. Yeah, just start sing raw emotion, convey raw emotion, and put it in a words without a fear shout and a scream. You know what I mean? Yeah, and Vybz Kartel definitely master that. Vybz Kartel can talk on a track. Even an artist we are associated with Vybz Kartel, you know what I mean, in the early stages of his career. Do some medicine. You have a track on a not nice rhythm where you actually talk. The artist talking. It's a style of music. It's definitely a style of music. The artist just talk. So Vybz Kartel is definitely one of the driving force in our creativity when it comes to dancehall music. So when it comes to dancehall arena, Vybz Kartel no afraid to redefine the sound and recreate him sound and add new sounds to it too as well. Some people feel like say them have to keep to a certain sound because people identify them with that. While that is true, people also look forward to see the evolution of you. That's the thing too, you know. As an artist, people comfortable with the fact. Say, yo, yeah, put out them type of music, yeah, and they know that sound there, and it'll work. But to hear something else, something new, that also bring in new fans and make your old fans them say, yo, me tell you say my artists are the best. So, you know what I mean? Vybz Kartel definitely capitalize on them factor there. And you know, ram to give people new things. Whether it be a slang we're current on the streets right now, or current on the streets overseas. Whether it be a series, something people can relate to. Vybz Kartel make relatable music, viewers and subscribers. Even if you don't relate to it, somebody else relate to it. And just the fact of the matter that it make relatable music, and that's why we see the song them trend as fast as you see them trend. And a coincidence, the song them trend because of good music, the way them put together. Even producers, if I even buy a Vybz Kartel verse, you know what I mean, and you have a rhythm where you want to put it on, you know say it can't be no shaky rhythm, and you are expect say that track you are going to put out are going to be the track where you really bring your name out there, because you say your Vybz Kartel name stamp on it, a Vybz Kartel verse today. So even producers know this, you know what I mean, and the fans know this as well. Loving every minute, viewers and subscribers, #1 trending. People overseas that talk about it too. Me telling you that part that the people them overseas that chat about it. They must say the song bad. They must say one of the baddest songs them hear thus far since the month start. The whole month. Big up Squash too. That Squash and the Vybz Kartel there. Yo, Foreign love it. Foreign love the video. Foreign love the audio. Foreign in love with that track there. But now I go around. When I say foreign, I don't mean a particular country. I just mean countries away from the island. So you're going to be as close as Cuba. To as far as, I don't know, maybe even Switzerland. Way over them side there. The people them love the music, viewers and subscribers. Vybz Kartel definitely do it. When you see the artist trend, we definitely see. And one of the things we have a point out, we see the rise. We don't just see the song drop and reach a #1. We see it go. The paces. 10, 4, 1. You never have done a whole heap of climb with Silk. There's a Vybz Kartel track that, but we definitely see it climb the charts till it reach where it reach. You know what I mean? Not by views. The thing happen naturally. Viewers and subscribers, click the subscribe icon, let me know how you feel. Drop in the comment section. Leave a like on the vlog, no man. Let me know what your thoughts on that track. If you love that track, if you expect it for trend, as I did, because when I hear the formulation and the verse, then I say yes. Yes. This is the way people look forward for. So viewers and subscribers, until the reason again, you know you think, go live, love and prosper, and I'm out.